Hello everyone and welcome back to ZakLiT educational channel. So if you are preparing for the UGC-NET examination, then this video is very important for you. I am damn sure, because in this video we will know the 5 top mistakes to avoid in UGC-NET examination. Yes, why maximum students fail to qualify this UGC-NET examination, we will discuss in this video. So watch this carefully and try to avoid these 5 mistakes during your preparation. Yes, this is going to be very helpful for you. So ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है आप सबके लिए जो भी UGC-NET एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो. So before starting the video, I would like to say that we have the Telegram group Learn for the Environment. Learn for the Environment is the group where we are conducting daily quizzes for the UGC-NET Environmental Science paper. You can join the group and test your preparation. So the link will be provided in the description. Similarly, Instagram page you can also join to know about the current affairs and general knowledge and short notes for the environmental science. So these two will be very important. So you can find the link given in the description. So now without much delay, let's discuss the video. So the first point is knowledge in depth. So while preparing for the UGC-NET paper, depth knowledge about the subject is not at all required. Yes, knowledge depth is not required because nobody is going to judge your knowledge. It is not going for the research work. You have to just qualify the exam. Yes, even if you are scoring 0.1% more than the cutoff or 10% more than the cutoff, doesn't matter at all. You have to just qualify and you have to secure more than the cutoff mark. That's what we are required. So vast syllabus is there in both the papers. Nobody can have mastery in every topic. So don't do this thing by searching for every topics in depth. So itna mat socho, because we have to only focus on qualifying this examination. No need of knowledge in depth required. So that is the most important thing you should note down. This is the mistake which many of the students do. They are searching for every topic in depth, and at the end they end up without securing good marks, without completing the syllabus. So this thing you should avoid. Let's move on to the second mistake to avoid. The second mistakes what the aspirants do while preparing for this exam is that lack of target oriented study. So your target should be proper and you should be having a proper timetable for your preparation. Yes, consistency matter. Some of you will be, actually most of you will be preparing for the exam for the 7 days or 5 days continuously. Then there will be the break coming in front of you. So you will not be preparing consistently. So that's the important point. You should be consistent in your preparation. Your target should be proper and smart work you should do while preparing. That target should be there. That means you should make table, figures, analysis so that it will be helpful during your preparation to achieve the target. That's what I mean. That target oriented study is very important. So if you are lacking this target oriented study, then you will not be able to succeed in this examination. So make a proper target for your study. When should you study paper 1, what for paper 2, how to study, what are the days for the revision, all these things it should be in a proper planned way in a target oriented study. The third mistake what most of the students do is very important. Yes, plan B. So many of you are having plan B because that means you are having some other plan. If you are not able to qualify UGC-NET, then you can try for some other exam, some other university, something you will do. So that is the plan B. But this plan B you should not have at all, because if you are having plan B, then you can't focus and you can't dedicate your 100% for the UGC-NET examination. So that is very important. You should be having proper mindset that yes, I will qualify this examination, I will give my 100%. No plan B should be there, because it will hamper your preparation. Every time you will be preparing, if you are feeling a bit low, then in the mind it will be giving the signal that yes, we are having plan B, we can move to that. And at the end, you will end up losing both the plans. So that is not the correct way of preparation. Don't have plan B. So this is the mistake which most of the students do while preparing for the UGC-NET examination. Number 4, this mistake is actually not a mistake. Yes, you should crack the pattern of the paper. So what does this crack the pattern of the paper means? That means you should know your subject very thoroughly. And how can you know? You can crack it by solving as many previous year's questions as possible. Frequently asked questions as much as possible. For example, in environmental science paper, there are 10 units for paper 2. So you should analyze by analyzing the previous year's questions for the UGC-NET environmental science paper, that which unit are having the maximum marks coming every time, every year in the UGC-NET examination, so that it will be helpful for you to avoid some of the topics which are very less important. For example, I have made a video from which unit how many questions are usually coming. That if you want to see, I will provide that in the I button for the environmental science paper. For example, if you are for any other paper, then you can make accordingly by analyzing your previous year's question and frequently asked questions. So this requires a lot of work by analyzing the previous year's paper, by cracking the pattern of the paper, how the questions are coming, where the maximum questions are coming from. Fifth and the most important thing that people are lacking is that focus on what is possible. So you should focus on the possibilities. For example, I am not taking coaching, I don't have proper material, how can I qualify? These things should not be coming in your mind. Just prepare with whatever materials you are having, from whatever sources you are having. For example, there are 400 videos in our channel for the environmental science subject, 500 plus quizzes on Telegram page, and lots of PDF good books in our Telegram page. So you can utilize them and make notes from them. So that are the possibilities. So what are the possibilities? What are the materials you are having? Focus on them. And second thing is, what are the possibilities you should focus on is that what subject is easy for you. Find the possibilities of scoring more on them. So strengthen your strength zone, which I am telling every time, instead of thinking about your weak zones. So you should focus on the possibilities. That means what are the things which are possible from your side. So for example, if you are having a difficult zone or difficult subject in your paper, try to skip few of them, because that will give you less focus on the study. So focus more on what are possible instead of focusing on what are not able to possibly done for you. So don't think negative, always think positive and stay calm. Believe in yourself. That's the most important point I always used to say. So possibilities will come if you are having faith on yourself. Believe in God, believe in your preparation, try to be sincere to your work. So these were the 5 important things which I wanted to convey you through this video. I hope you have analyzed this video and you will get to know what were the lacuna in your preparation and you will try to correct them. So all the best for the preparation. My best wishes are always with you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, because sharing is caring, and subscribe the channel ZakLiT to get all further updates. So see you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.